my goodness, a diamond necklace.
For the most wonderful wife.
It's beautiful, Raj. Thank you.
They are going out tonight. Perfect chance. I don't have to steal anymore. This is enough to make me rich. His lifetime treasure in this expensive, beautiful necklace. Police! Must run! Wow, this house looks nice. There must be rich people living inside. I will get lots of money and jewelry here.
Raj, why are you smiling like that?
Because today is our anniversary and I got something for you. You are going to love that. Close your eyes. Now open them.
A diamond necklace.
For the most wonderful wife.
A diamond necklace. It must be very expensive.
It's lovely. I have been dreaming for that, Raj. Thank you so much.
Tonight we are going to a resort for celebrating our special day.
They are going out tonight. Perfect chance.
Really? That sounds lovely.
I knew you'd love it.
I can't wait.
Tonight, I come back when they are not home and take it. Your mother and I are going to a resort this evening.
Can we come too?
Not today, sweetie. It is just for us. We will go for picnic next month, I promise.
You stay home and have pizza treat.
Pizza? Yay!
We have already ordered pizza for you. Only open when the delivery boy comes.
Pizza! Yes!
Since you will be alone, you must be careful. Keep all doors and windows closed. Do not open the door for strangers.
We will be careful, Mom.
Keep your phone with you. Call us if you need anything.
Don't worry, we are brave and smart. We will enjoy our party here.
I know you will.
We will be back tomorrow morning. Love you both.
Mom and Dad are not here. Let's watch an action movie. No, I want to watch a cartoon. I don't like action movies. Okay, first action movies, then your favorite cartoon, my little sis.
Yes, that's the location I have to deliver pizza.
I am hungry already. When will this pizza guy come? I can't wait anymore.
It will come soon.
See? It's here!
Yes, finally!
Pizza delivery!
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, we will have pizza now. Yummy, yummy, tasty, tasty.
They are busy watching TV and enjoying their pizza. Right time to get in, nobody will see me. This is the room where I will get that necklace.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
A sound upstairs. It sounded like footsteps.
Where's the necklace? Not here either.
Someone is inside the house. What do we do?
Go to our room. Now!
I am scared.
Stay quiet.
Call Mom?
No, call the police first.
Hello? There is someone in our house. Yes, we locked the door. But please come fast.
Oh my God! I got my lifetime treasure and this expensive necklace. Gotta be quick. Yes, now the bling. Almost there. Finally, I don't have to steal anymore. This is enough to make me rich. Police! Must run! Come out with your hands up. You can't run from here. You are under arrest. Children, it is safe now. You can open the door.
Did you catch him?
Yes, you did very well. It wouldn't have been possible without your help and smartness.
My children, are you okay?
We are fine, Mama.
We locked ourselves in and called the police.
I am so proud of you both. This belongs to you.
Thank you so much.